Hello students, today I am going to explain the behavior of homonuclear diatomic molecules on the basis of molecular orbital theory. Yes. Okay. The first molecule is hydrogen molecule H2. We know the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Then its electronic configuration is 1s1. Yes. The hydrogen atom has only one electron. Okay. Then hydrogen molecule is formed by the combination of two hydrogen atoms. Therefore, H2 hydrogen molecule has two electrons. Okay, hydrogen molecule has two electrons. These two electrons can be accommodated in the molecular orbital of H2. Yes. Then here when two oneness atomic orbitals combine together, that means oneness atomic orbital of first hydrogen atom combines with oneness atomic orbital of second hydrogen atom, we know forms two molecular orbitals. One is bonding MO, that is sigma oneness, then other is anti-bonding MO, that is sigma star oneness. Okay. Then we can fill the electrons in these molecular orbitals. Okay. Hydrogen atom, the atomic number is 1, its electronic configuration is 1s1. That means the oneness atomic orbital has one electron. 1s1. Okay, oneness atomic orbital of first hydrogen atom and oneness atomic orbital of second hydrogen atom, oneness atomic orbital of second hydrogen atom. Then H2 has two electrons. Okay. Then the filling of electrons in these molecular orbitals take place on the basis of Haber principle, Pauli's principle and Hund's rule. According to Haber principle, the filling of electrons takes place in the increasing order of energy. Okay, just like atomic orbitals, molecular orbitals also can accommodate maximum of two electrons with the opposite spin. Yes. Then total number of electron in hydrogen molecule is 2. These two electrons can be accommodated in sigma oneness. Sigma, then the electronic configuration becomes sigma 1s2. Yes. So then the molecular orbital electronic configuration of H2. Molecular orbital electronic configuration of H2 is sigma 1s2. Sigma 1s2. Yes. Then we can calculate the bond order of H2. We know the bond order is half the difference between number of electrons in bonding MO and number of electrons in anti-bonding MO. That is Nb minus Na by 2. Number of electrons in bonding MO, sigma 1s is bonding MO, yes 2. Number of electrons in anti-bonding MO, sigma star 1s 0. 2 minus 0 by 2, the bond order is 1. Yes. Then the positive value of bond order indicates H2 is stable. The positive value of bond order indicates H2 is stable. Then here the value of bond order is 1. We know the integral value of bond order is equal to number of covalent bonds present in a molecule. Since the bond order is what? Yes. The two hydrogen atoms are bonded by single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. Okay. Then H2 is stable. Okay. Then the two hydrogen atoms are bonded by single covalent bond. Next, we can say that there is no unpaired electron in molecular orbital. Okay, the molecular orbital sigma 1s is completely filled. No unpaired electron in molecular orbital. Hence, H2 is diamagnetic. H2 is diamagnetic. Okay, students? Okay. Since since bond order is positive, H2 is stable. Since bond order is 1, there is a covalent bond between the hydrogen atoms. Okay. Since no unpaired electron is present in molecular orbital, H2 molecule is diamagnetic. Next molecule is hydrogen molecule ion, H2 plus. H2 plus is formed by the combination of one hydrogen atom containing one electron and H plus ion having no electron. Then the molecular orbital electronic configuration of H2. Yes. Okay, the H2 plus. We know H2 has 2 electrons. Hydrogen molecule has 2 electrons. Then H2 plus has only 1 electron. 1 electron. Then the MO configuration becomes what? Sigma 1s1. Sigma 1s1. Okay, the 1 electron can be accommodated in sigma 1s orbital. Okay, sigma 1s1. Sigma 1s1 is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of H2 plus. Then is bond order. Number of electrons present in bonding MO is 1. Number of electrons present in anti-bonding MO is 0. 1 minus 0 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, the 1 by 2 is also a positive value. Then this positive value of bond order indicates H2 plus is stable. H2 plus is stable, but its stability is almost half of that H2. The reason is that the bond order of H2 is 1. The bond order of H2 plus is 1 by 2. We know the bond order is directly proportional to stability. When bond order increases, the stability of molecule also increases. Then H2 is, then from the value of bond order we can say that H2 is more stable than H2 plus. Yes. Then the presence of unpaired electron in sigma 1s orbital. Okay, this yes indicates H2 plus is paramagnetic. H2 plus is paramagnetic in nature. Next molecule is helium molecule, He2. Yes, we know the atomic number of helium is 2. Its electronic configuration is 1s2. Okay, then molecular orbital electronic configuration of He2. Yes, helium atom has 2 electrons. Then helium molecule He2 has 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. Then we can distribute these 4 electrons in the molecular orbitals of helium. Okay, 1s2, 1s2, yes, 1s2, 1s2. Then total 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. We can distribute these 2 electrons in the molecular orbitals of helium. Then 2 electron in sigma 1s. Okay, sigma 1s2. Then the remaining 2 electron can be accommodate in sigma star 1s. Sigma 1s to sigma star 1s to is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of He2. Then its bond order. Number of electrons in bonding MO, sigma MO bonding MO 2. Number of electrons in anti-bonding MO, sigma star 1s 2. 2 minus 2 by 2, 0. Yes. Here, the bond order of helium is 0. We know when the value of bond order is 0, that molecule is unstable and does not exist. Since the bond order of He2 helium molecule is 0, it does not exist. Next one, helium molecule ion He2 plus. Okay? Helium molecule has 4 electrons. Then He2 plus has 3 electrons. Okay? Then we can write the molecular orbital electronic configuration of He2 plus sigma 1s2. Okay? The remaining electron is 1 that can be accommodated in sigma star 1s. Sigma star 1s1. Okay, then we can calculate bond order of He2 plus Nb minus Na by 2. Number of electrons in bonding MO 2. Number of electrons in anti-bonding MO 1. 2 minus 1 by 2. The bond order is 1 by 2. Yes. Here, since the bond order is, the value of bond order is positive, He2 plus is stable. Okay, then due to the presence of one unpaired electron, He2 plus is paramagnetic. Molecule is nitrogen molecule N2. Okay, nitrogen molecule is formed by the combination of 2 nitrogen atoms. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Okay. Its electronic configuration is, we know, 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Yes. This is the MO diagram for lighter molecule. Yes. Nitrogen electronic configuration 1s2. Okay. First nitrogen atom 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Then second nitrogen atom. Yes, 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1 and 2pz1. Okay. Then nitrogen molecule has 14 electrons. Okay. Nitrogen has 7 electrons, then N2 has 14 electrons. Then we can write molecular orbital electronic configuration of N2. Yes. We know the order of filling electrons. In the case of lighter molecule, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, then pi 2px equal to pi 2py, then sigma 2pz. Okay, then pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. That is the order. Okay, then a molecular orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons, total 40 electrons. Then we can fill 2 electrons sigma 1s, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The remaining electrons are 6. Then pi 2px2, pi 2py2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Okay, then 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 40. Yes. Then we can calculate bond order. Yes, before calculating bond order, we can distribute electrons in these molecular orbitals. Okay, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, sigma 2pz2. Then we can calculate bond order. Bond order equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Okay. Then the number of electrons present in bonding MO. Okay. For star ഇല്ലാതെ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. The number of electrons in anti-bonding MO അല്ലേ. സ്റ്റാർ ഉള്ളത് നോക്കുക. Yes. 2 plus 2 4. Sigma star 1s2, sigma star 2s2. Yes, sigma star 1s and sigma star 2s are anti-bonding MOs. Total 4 electrons. 10 minus 4 by 2, 6 by 2 equal to 3. Yes. Here the value of bond order is positive. The positive value of bond order indicates N2 is stable. Since bond order is 3, the two nitrogen atoms are bonded by a triple bond. Then, yes, since there is no unpaired electron in molecular orbitals, all molecular orbitals are completely filled. Okay, since there is no unpaired electron in molecular orbital, N2 is diamagnetic. N2 is diamagnetic. Next molecule is oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule is formed by the combination of two oxygen atoms. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. We can write its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, okay, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Okay, here we can apply Hund's rule. Then these 2p orbitals are singly filled. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7. The remaining electron is 1. That electron can fill in 2px orbital, then 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. That is the electronic configuration of oxygen atom. Yes. 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. The electronic configuration of first oxygen atom. And so second oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. Yes. Then oxygen is a heavier molecule. Already we have learned in the case of a heavier molecule, there is a slight change in the sequence of molecular orbitals. Okay, that means sigma 2pz. That means ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് sigma 2pz pi 2px ഇത് ലൈറ്റർ മോളിക്യൂൾ ആണ്. ഇതിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, sigma 2pz ന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ pi 2px equal to pi 2py എഴുതുക. ഇതിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ sigma 2pz എഴുതുക. Yes, we can interchange these molecular orbitals. So here comes sigma 2pz, 2pz. Here pi 2px equal to pi 2px equal to pi 2py. Yes. Then we can fill the electrons in molecular orbital. Okay, the oxygen molecule has 8 plus 8, 16 electrons. Okay, then its MO configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Then pi 2px2 equal to pi 2py2. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, plus 2 8, plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14. The remaining electrons are 2. Okay, that can be filled in the anti-bonding pi star 2px, pi star 2py orbital. So here we can apply Hund's rule. ഇവിടെ Hund's rule apply ചെയ്യാം. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് ടു അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, then one electron can be filled in pi star 2px, other in pi star 2p pi. Yes. Okay, then total number of electrons becomes 60. Okay. Then we can distribute electrons in these molecular orbitals. Okay, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, then pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1. Okay, this is the molecular orbital energy level diagram of O2. Then we can calculate bond order. Okay, bond Nb minus Na/2, number of electrons in bonding MO, star illade nokka, star illade MO alle endha 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Then star ulladu anti-bonding MO, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 10 minus 6 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Yes. Since bond order is a positive value, okay, yes, oxygen molecule is stable, oxygen molecule is stable. Then since bond order is 2, oxygen molecule is bonded by double bond. Then since there are two unpaired electrons, one in pi star 2px, one in pi star 2py1, O2 is paramagnetic. O2 is paramagnetic. Compare the relative stabilities of the following species and indicate their magnetic properties. ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന സ്പീഷീസ് O2, O2 plus, O2 minus superoxide ion, O2 2 minus peroxide ion. ഈ സ്പീഷീസിനെ അവയുടെ സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റിയുടെ ഇൻക്രീസിങ് ഓർഡറിൽ നമ്മൾ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണം. അതിനുശേഷം യെസ് മാഗ്നറ്റിക് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയും നമ്മൾ പ്രെഡിക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. We have to predict the magnetic properties of these species. Okay. First one, O2. We know O2 has 16 electrons. Okay, 8 plus 8, 16 electrons. Then molecular orbital electronic configuration of O2. We know sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2 equal to pi 2py2. Okay, then pi star 2px1 equal to pi star 2py1. Then we can calculate bond order. Nb minus Na by 2, 10 minus 6 by 2, 4 by 2 equal to 2. Okay. ഇവിടെ pi star 2px-ലും pi star 2py-ലും unpaired electron ഉണ്ട്. Okay. Hence we can say that O2 is paramagnetic. Okay, since there are two unpaired electrons in O2, it is paramagnetic. Next, O2 plus. Okay, one positive charged oxygen molecule. Means what? O2 plus is formed by the loss of electron from O2. O2 has 16 electron, then O2 plus has 15 electron. Yes, that one electron can be removed from this last pi star 2py orbital. Pi star 2py orbital. Okay? Then its MO configuration. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2. Then pi 2p x2 equal to pi 2p y2. Then pi star 2p x1. Pi star 2p y in one electron. Yes, remove cheyapettu. Then it becomes pi star 2p y0. Yes. Then bond order. Nb minus Na by 2. Okay, there is no change in the number of electrons. Bonding MO, it remains as 10. But yes, the number of electrons in anti-bonding MO in O2 is 6. With a pi star 2p y in 1 electron remove cheyapettu, then 6 becomes 5. Okay, 10 minus 5 by 2. 2.5. നോക്കിക്കോളൂ ആന്റിബോണ്ടിങ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് 2 സിഗ്മ സ്റ്റാർ 1s 2 2 plus sigma star 2s 2 2 plus 2 4 4 plus pi star 2px 1 4 plus 1 5. Okay, then here there is one unpaired electron in pi star 2px, then O2 plus also paramagnetic. Then number 3, O2 minus superoxide ion. Okay, superoxide ion O2 minus, and the number of electrons in O2 minus. Okay, oxide molecule acquires one negative charge by gaining one electron. Okay, since O2 has 16 electron, then O2 minus has 17 electron. Okay, that one extra electron is added to this pi star 2px orbital. Okay, then its MO configuration becomes sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p z2, pi 2p x2 equal to pi 2p y2. Okay, then pi star 2p x2. Okay, O2 നേക്കാളും O2 പ്ലസിൽ ഒരു ഇലക്ട്രോൺ കൂടുതലാണ്. that extra electron എവിടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു? pi star 2px. then okay, pi star 2px. അപ്പോൾ O2 നേക്കാളും one electron O2 മൈനസ് കൂടുതലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ O2 ന്റെ കോൺഫിഗറേഷൻ എന്താ? ഔട്ടർ pi star 2p x1 equal to pi star 2p y1. that extra electron is added to pi star 2px. then pi star 2p x1 becomes pi star 2p x2 equal to pi star 2p y1. then bond order. Okay, Nb minus Na by 2. Okay, yes, number of electrons in bonding MO remains as 10. പക്ഷെ ആന്റി ബോണ്ടിങ്ങിൽ pi star 2px ഒരു ഇലക്ട്രോൺ കൂടുതലായിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്തു. then it becomes 7. 10 minus 7 by 2, 3 by 2, 1.5. then yes, O2 minus has one unpaired electron in pi star 2py. then O2 minus superoxide ion is also paramagnetic. Last species, number 4, O2 2 minus peroxide ion. then the number of electrons in peroxide ion, O2 has 60 electrons. Okay, O2 2 minus. O2 2 minus is formed by the gaining 2 electron. When O2 molecule gains 2 electron, O2 2 minus is formed. Okay, O2 electrons are 16 and extra electron gain ചെയ്തു, then the electrons becomes 18 electrons. then the MO configuration, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p z2, pi 2p x2 equal to pi 2p y2. Okay, യെസ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ O2-നേക്കാളും 2 ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് കൂടുതലാണ് അല്ലേ? അത് എവിടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു? 1 ഇലക്ട്രോൺ ഇൻ പൈ സ്റ്റാർ 2px, 1 electron in pi star 2py, then pi star 2px becomes pi star 2px2 equal to pi star 2py. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18 electrons. Okay, then bond order Nb minus Na by 2. Okay, the number of electrons in bonding MO remains as 10, then anti-bonding MO, okay, 2 extra electrons are added in anti-bonding MO, then this 6 becomes 8, molecule sigma star 1 is to 2, sigma star 2 is to 2 plus 2 4, then pi star 2px 2, pi star 2py to 8, 10 minus 8 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, the bond order is 1, okay, yes, O2 minus is stable, okay, then here there is no unpaired electron in molecular orbital, all molecular orbitals are paired or completely filled, then O2 2 minus is diamagnetic. Yes, then we can compare the relative stability of these species. Okay, here, yes, we know when the value of bond order increases, the stability of the molecule also increases. The greater the value of bond order, okay, the greater will be the stability of molecule. Here the bond order is maximum, that is 2.5 in the case of O2 plus. Then O2 plus is more stable. O2 plus is more stable. Okay. Then here, yes, we can arrange the species in the decreasing order of the stability. Decreasing order of the stability. Yes, O2 plus is more stable. Yes. Then O2, yes, bond order is 2. O2, then O2 minus is bond order is 1.5, and the least stable species is O2 2 minus. O2 2 minus. Here O2 2 minus is diamagnetic while others are paramagnetic. Okay students, in my next video I will discuss the next type of chemical bonding, that is hydrogen bonding. Goodbye, study well.